In this series of system programming, in last video we discussed about what is system programming, what are the basics of system programming. Now today in this video we are going to discuss what is the difference between system software and application software. So let's start. Now let's understand what is the definition of system software. It is a collection of component and design of given program. That is, system software is nothing but it's collection of different kind of component. That is, we can refer here component, that is hardware configuration or some CPU specification, or it is also referred as a computer architecture. Now, what is application software? Application software is a set of programs. Now, what is programs? Programs are nothing but set of instructions which execute particular tasks. So, the programs that view the computer as a tool of solving particular problem. Now, under application software, we solve a particular problem or particular task. That's why it's called as application software. Now the next point, system software maintains system resources. Now resources, that is we can refer a computer architecture only, or it directly communicate with the hardware. Now application software is built for specific tasks. Now as the name itself suggests, it built for specific tasks or specific application. So that's why it's called as an application software. Now system software is used for low level language, like it. So system software mainly interact with the hardware. That's why it communicate directly with the hardware with the low level language, or it refer low level language. For example, mostly system software refer assembly language. Now the application software use a high level language, that is it's used for particular application or some specific tasks. That's why it refer high level language. Now the system software is a general purpose software, but application software is for specific purpose or some specific tasks or some specific application. That's why it's refer application software. Now the next difference is system software programming is a complex than application software, but application software programming is very simple as compared to system software. Now system software execute application software, but application software is execute being or it's used by end user or last user. Programming is also done using assembly language which interact with the hardware. That is, in system software programming is done by using low level language, that is the assembly language. But here in application programming we use high level language and it used application software. Now let's understand what are the examples of system software. Examples are, for example, loader, linker, compiler, or any operating system like Windows, Unix, Linux, etc. These are all applications or examples of system software. Now, the examples of application software are library management system, some calculator, that is we perform some particular task or we solving some problem. Now web browser, Photoshop, MS Word, media player, VLC player, these are all perform some tasks. That's why it's called as an application software. So this is all the difference between system software and application software. Thank you.